Are your users struggling to efficiently find, share, and use your organization's images, such as brand assets, product visuals, or promotional content? Without a centralized system, employees often waste time searching for the latest images or, worse, use outdated ones. It's frequently unclear where up-to-date images are stored, and even when found, accessing and using them can be cumbersome. As a result, users might rely on old images from outdated documents, presentations, or emails. These inefficiencies and inconsistent workflows can compromise your organization's branding, productivity, and accuracy, leading to frustrated employees and missed opportunities. The Image Chooser changes how users access and use images by providing a centralized, fully integrated solution. Employees can quickly access your organization's image libraries directly within Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Outlook, ensuring they always have the most recent version of any image. With real-time updates, any changes made by managers are instantly available to all users, eliminating the risk of outdated images. You can even integrate it into your Frontify account, providing you with all organizationally curated images, or get royalty-free images from the Unsplash and Pixabay integration. By having all images in one easy-to-access place, users save valuable time and can focus on creating polished deliverables with the perfect image. The Image Chooser ensures that all images adhere to your brand guidelines, maintaining visual consistency across all platforms and communications while strengthening your organization's brand identity. Whether working on a Word document, PowerPoint presentation, or emails in Outlook, the right image is just a click away. The Image Chooser supports formats such as PNG, JPG, GIF, and SVG, and serves as your organization's digital hub for all visual content. If you want your users to effortlessly access the right image at the right time in any application, boosting productivity and ensuring brand consistency, the Image Chooser is the app you need.